What's up everyone, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a model kit from a 1989 sci-fi tokusatsu film or movie, and this is the Gunhed. And honestly, I haven't watched this movie, and it's very hard for me to find a movie of this in the internet nowadays, but I hope you can share me a link if you have. And so I'm presenting you a Kotobukiya kit from that movie, Gunhed. So this is a machine that they use, the protagonist machine. And to be honest, this looks like a Terminator machine for me. That's why I fantasized on having this kit, and fortunately I bought it from this shop from Japan in Shopee at an affordable price of 4,200 pesos. But most sellers sell this kit around 6,800, something like that. So it's very expensive, but fortunately I bought a cheaper one. So guys, let's check this model kit, Gunhed from Kotobukiya, and let's see what's inside. Los geht's, fangen wir an. So this is the box of the Gunhed from Kotobukiya. So we can see here Gunhed unit number 507 Gunhed. Okay. So it looks like a Terminator machine to me, because you can see here this is like the Skynet machine from the Terminator movie I watched. And if you have a link of this Gunhed movie, kindly share it to my comment section below, because I really want to watch this. And the side of the box, let's check here. It is a transforming or semi-transforming tank. You can see here the tank mode, and then it can stand like this. It's very nice, it's very cute. It's a really 90s classic mecha. The vibes is like a 90s mecha machine, so I got an interest in buying this because it's very cool. On the other side of the box, we can see the front view, the back view, and of course there's some articulation, simple articulation on the gun turrets, and there it can climb the wall. It's very fantastic to see a tank that can climb a wall using its articulated body. And there are some details here like a barrel and some armaments there. And we have action figures or pilot figures there. Maybe these are the main characters from that movie. And so, to be honest, I like pairing this Gunhed with this Big O from Modroid, because these two for me is a perfect combination. So I want to pair this Gunhed with the Big O, and at the same time the Metal Gear Rex, the black one, Metal Gear Rex black T-Rex machine. So if we open the box here, we can see the instruction manual. So the instruction manual is very nice. It looks Robocop-ish and Terminator-ish print out here. And of course, we got some printouts here, same as what we saw in the box art. And there we got the parts list. So judging the amount of parts here, it's a semi-hard to build for me, but it looks chunky. Maybe this will take 3 to 4 hours for me to build. So there are printouts of the manual. So it's black and white, the traditional Kotobukiya way of printing it. And centerfold, we can see some maps, or I think this is for the clips of the movie, and some explanation here written in Japanese, but I cannot read it. And there we got the finished product here, and decal placement here on the other side, or the back side of the manual. Color guide if you want to print the kit by yourself. So go to the packs here. So these are chunky parts. Okay, I regret what I said a while ago. This is an easy build. So because of the chunkiness, these chunky parts here. So mostly this kit are color gray. So no other colors for this kit aside from the gray parts. So mostly these are gray parts, which can cause eye fatigue to me. So these are all gray pieces, gray, black. Yes, we have black here for the tank wheels. This is gray, and we got some clear parts here, maybe for the lights. Okay, and we got wire here. These are wire. This is wire and action figure. This is the action figure. So this is in white, creamy white color, and you're about to paint it. Then we got some water slide decals here. So it says Gunhed, something like that, or U-head, U-H-E-D. Okay. U-H-E. So as always, let's have a quick weather review before we build the kit. And that's what I said a while ago. This kit doesn't have any colors aside from mostly gray and this minor black color here for the wheels and this clear parts here. So let's go here with the black runners for the wheels. These are runner L. So we got two sets of this, and these clear parts here, runner M, for maybe the lights. Then we got the small runner K here for the joint parts. So we got two sets of this, runner K. We got the runner H and another runner H. So these are two sets of runner H for just gray parts. I'm not familiar with tank parts, to be honest. Then we got here runner E. And what I like here is it got a barrel, wooden barrel in gray color. And this, I think this is for the bombshells. And we got runner A, runner I, two sets of runner I, then runner J. Then we got some polycaps, gray polycaps here, two sets of the same kind of polycaps. And finally, we got this runner N for the small runners. Let's go to the chunky parts, the big runners. We got runner D here, and runner C, runner B, runner G, and runner F. So these are the big runners. And I didn't open this yet, this human runners here, because I don't have an intention to build this action figure here, because to be honest, I hate building action figures or pilot figures. So I will not open this, and I will just keep this. Maybe this wire we can use later, maybe. I don't know when or when should I use this? Let's see later. And we got this water slide decals, a simple water slide decals, not that much. It's very, it's just a few, and I think I will try this to use. I will try my best to put this water slide decals later. So again, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying thank you very much for watching this unboxing of the Gunhed, which came from the 1989 tokusatsu sci-fi movie. See you next time. Until then, goodbye, God bless, take care, auf Wiedersehen, masalama, paalam sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat.